What is going on, guys? We're gonna do some winter fishing with Ned rigs today at our local neighborhood pond. I'm actually already here. Pond's right over there. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're watching and you haven't subscribed or liked this video yet, go ahead and do that. Then let's get right into it. Oh my god, dude. Oh, one just dropped a deuce. That's nutty. There's like 1,000. Oh my god. Oh my god, look. Oh, Jesus. Last time there was like hundreds of geese right in this corner and I still caught some. So I think that they're still here. Oh, that's not a bad one.
Yeah, I know.
I just started recording as you did that.
Damn. Yeah, that's what it is.
First cast of the day.
First cast.
Let's go. Ooh. Do you imagine I catch like a 4 on this shad crankbait? I don't think there's that many shad in here, but that'd be unreal. Did it like fight good or was it like a...
It was like a saw.
There's one. On the swim bait, first fish ever on this swim bait, dude. Damn, that was sick. This swim bait is like half the length of this fish. Let's go. First fish on the swim bait. I don't know if my GoPro's getting it. What? Dude, physics don't matter in fishing.
Oh my god, look at it. Both the hooks are in the loop.
Both of them? Hee fish. No! Oh, he eat it again? High key? Nope. Remember that substitute? He's like, I've been fishing for 30 years. And you're like, okay, well then, what do you fish with on a hot day? Ooh, he's on the board. No, no, that's awkward. Oh, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. Ooh, he's jumping. Don't come off. Oh no. Let's go then. 1.89. Oh? That feel like a good one? I guess we'll never know. I have to just like, you know, by the look of it. There's a fish.
How hard you set it?
I just leaned into it, barely even set it. This guy's fighting. What the heck? Yep, I didn't even set the hook there. I just leaned into it.
Yeah, I didn't put that either right now.
Nice. Nice winter. Nice catch winter. You know that guy? Doubled up, boys. We don't know if it's gonna make the top 5, but... Damn, the lips are almost like purple. Nice catch winter. Oh, really?
Eat, like,
Oh my god.
like, why do I catch it?
He's trying to eat, dude.
Why don't you eat before?
You just robbed him of a snack. What's going on YouTube? There's one. Oh, boy. This guy's a dink. stinkiest of the day. Let's go. Yeah, they look good in here. Ooh, a little bit too loose. Let's go. Nice catch, Winter. Did you just feel the bite and you're like, oh. Doubled up. No, came off. Winter, calm down.
You can probably see me right here, right?
Yee. I'm gonna zoom in on it flopping on the ground. Bro, why am I getting all this stuff on my lure?
It was weedless, they said. They lied.
Oh, my fingers are cold. Oh. Good rod bend? It is a good, is it? Got one. My fingers are freezing though. I should have just caught that fish. Oh, there it is. No! He's gonna bite again, for sure. There he is. Bro, these fish are different today. That's fish. No, dude.
I think that's a sign.
I think it is.
What did you get?
I don't know.
Ran this one. Shouldn't be that hard.
He's fighting hard. Bro! What am I doing wrong? In a different spot. Bro, okay, we're gonna reel in. I don't know.
I don't know. Over here. A little bit bigger than the dinky dink thing. Like, it's done though. It's getting better. Almost 100 feet better.
Oh,
Just,
dude.
no clue, but it's